Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 320i rear seat. First, let's get prepared. You'll want to have a few basic tools on hand, like a flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent damage. Always make sure your car is safely parked and the ignition is completely off before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. We'll start by tackling the lower seat cushion. Now let's remove the lower seat cushion. This part is usually quite straightforward. You'll typically find two release tabs or clips located at the front edge underneath the seat. Once you've located them, firmly pull upwards on the front of the cushion. It should pop free with a bit of effort. After it's disengaged, slide the entire seat base forward and then carefully lift it out of the car. Set it aside in a safe place. With the seat cushion out, we can now focus on the seat back. Look for the bolts that secure the bottom of the seat back to the car's frame. There are usually 2 or 3 of these, often requiring a standard socket wrench. Carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once they are out, gently lift the entire seat back straight upwards. It's typically held in place by hooks at the top, so lifting will disengage them. Then, you can carefully remove the seat back from the vehicle. Reinstalling your BMW 320i rear seat is essentially the reverse of removal. Start by hooking the seat back into its top mounting points, then secure the lower bolts. Make sure all bolts are tightened properly for safety. Finally, position the seat cushion and press down firmly on the front edge until you hear the clips engage. Give the seat a good tug to ensure it's securely locked in place before driving. You've successfully removed and reinstalled your rear seat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.